Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a quick 3-year review on the Pioneer Baker's Choice wood cook stove. If you want a more in-depth review and overview of function on this model, hit that subscribe button and look through my videos. I'd say about a year ago I gave a more in-depth one. So my 3rd year using this, I am still happy with this stove. I think the only downfall that this has so far, other than the plates there warping a little bit, they haven't warped any worse than my last review, is that this stove tends to build up creosote really fast if your wood is not extremely dry. When that happens, you get a lot of buildup along this side, the bottom, and behind. Not so much in the chimney, but just in the stove area. When this happens, the back side, as you see here, with that handle changes the direction of the smoke from circulating around the stove or going straight up. That pulls and pushes in and out this direction and will get extremely caked in creosote, and you cannot open or close it without really working on it. So I'm going to bring you down and get my handy dandy light so you can see what I mean by needing very dry wood. That is a lot of buildup. So much so that it's dripping out the front. And there's the plate that covers it. So unless you always have really dry wood, very seasoned wood, I would not use anything else in this. I know there's stoves out there that you could probably use a little bit wetter wood in it and it will burn just fine without much buildup. But I think this definitely needs a lot drier seasoned wood in order to function without too much buildup. It might be a little on my part that since I work full time, I do shut down the intake a bit so that it lasts all day while I'm at work, and then again at night when I'm sleeping. So this stove does not get opened very wide very often. So that might be my own fault, and the combination of that and running a little bit wetter wood, you get a little snow or whatever on it, and then you end up bringing moisture into it, and she really builds up fast. One thing I also did notice on this water reservoir, if you fill it way too high, which I really pushed it hard one day and filled it up, it actually leaked over into the inside of that stove, and there was a little pool of water down there at the bottom. So yeah, keep some room up here at the top. That way you don't have any overflowage. The top of this square reservoir is just apparently just sitting to the top and not welded or sealed to the top, so don't fill it up. So next year I will do another review. It'll be my 4-year review. So far I do like this stove. It has some decent quality stainless, but as you can see here, it is not the best quality stainless because it is rusting in spots. There's a little bit of pitting right there in the front. Give it a B+. Alright everybody, hope you liked today's video. So hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more. And we'll see you on the next one. We'll see you guys later.